This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what matters: clean sample data, access credentials, and A6 tooling. Connect a single data source so you can iterate quickly. This reduces integration surprises. Once done, scaffold the project with the A6 CLI and create a minimal layout file to host widgets. Make sure to define 3-5 KPIs and set refresh cadence now, because your visual choices will follow those constraints. Keep commits small so you can roll back if a connector fails. You now translate KPIs into concrete widgets, map data fields, choose aggregations, and pick chart types that reveal trends. While assembling, prioritize responsive sizing and layout grids so the dashboard works at multiple breakpoints. Once a widget renders, wire filters and drill downs to pass context between components. This makes exploration seamless. Make sure to add role-based visibility during this phase, because performance and security decisions depend on it. Test with real-time queries to catch bottlenecks early. You finish by optimizing and validating. Tune queries, add caching for heavy endpoints, and set reasonable timeouts so users never wait forever. Once done, polish the UX with clear labels, accessible color contrast, and export options for reports. Deploy to a staging environment and run load tests to validate behavior under realistic traffic. If something goes wrong, check logs for slow queries and enable query sampling. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the issue is data, query, or infrastructure related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.